Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss two number problems. Again, this is Gerald C. Apostol, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell button for you to be notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you. So now let us start. The first question or the first problem. The sum of two numbers is 25. If the two numbers has a difference of 1, find the larger number. So, ang first step na gagawin natin is to represent the two numbers. So, sa case na to, let y yung first number and then let x yung second number. First and second. For the first statement, the sum of the two numbers is 25. If we're going to add x and y, our sum is 25. And then if the two numbers has a difference of 1, it means kapag pinag-subtract daw natin sila, the answer is 1. So we will have x minus y is equal to 1. So ngayon, we have a system of equation. The first equation is x plus y equal to 25, and then x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 1, and then this is equation 2. Our target is to get the values of x and y. Now, there are different methods na pwede natin gamitin. Pwede tayo mag-substitution, pwede tayo mag-elimination. So, sa case na to, total nakikita natin na we have positive y and we have negative y dito. We can use elimination. So, pwede natin pag-addin, pag-plusin natin yung dalawang equation. So, we will have x plus x, we have 2x, and then we have positive y plus negative y that is equal to 0 is equal to 26. Bakit natin pinag-add? Para ma-cancel natin yung y, para maalis yung y. So, we have 2x is equal to 26. So, we have 2x is equal to 26. Divide natin both sides by 2 para ma-cancel natin yung 2 dyan. So, we have x is equal to 13. So, the value of x will be 13. Now, kailangan natin yung value ng y. So, what will be the value of y? So, kunin natin ng kahit isa sa kanila, either equation 1 or equation 2. So, we have x plus y is equal to 25. And then we are going to plug the value of x. We have 13 plus y is equal to 25. And the next step is to add the additive inverse of 13 to both sides. So we have 13 plus y minus 13. Since the additive inverse of positive 13 is negative 13, 25 minus 13. So we need to cancel that. We have kasi 13 minus 13 is 0. Okay, cancel that. Y is equal to 25 minus 13. We have 12. So the values of the two numbers are 12 and 13. Now the question is, find the larger number, or what is the larger number? So the larger number is 13. So our answer is 13. Okay, next question. When 2 is multiplied by 2 less than a number, the result is 4 less than twice a number. Find the number. So, i-denote natin. 2 is multiplied by 2 less than a number. 2 is multiplied by 2 less than a number. O, let natin x yung number. The result is, so ibig sabihin equal kasi result daw. 4 less than twice a number. So what we are going to do here is we're going to distribute 2. So you have 4 minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 2x. So as you can see, we have the same values of 4. We have the same values of the left side and the right side. Meron tayong 4 minus 2x, tapos meron din tayong 4 minus 2x. Ibig sabihin nun, we have the infinite number of solution. So, ibig sabihin, kahit anong value na x pwedeng ilagay kasi mag-i-equal at mag-i-equal sila. Bakit? Kasi if you're going to put 1 dito, tapos we put 1 also there, so ibig sabihin nun, paras lang yung makukuha natin. So, ang sagot dito, okay, there is no specific number because there is an infinite number of solutions. So, that's all. Again, thank you and don't forget to subscribe.